so welcome to Mental Health Monday episode, where we're going to talk about one thing that you can do right now to change how you're feeling. So I love this method. So if you've never met me before, my name's Katie Woodland. I'm a developmental psychologist, and I help people overcome extreme levels of stress, depression and anxiety, as well as deliver training for businesses and schools around mental health. So this super simple trick, okay, literally, usually when we're feeling really bad, it's because there's disconnect between what we want or need and what we have right now. So we start to get worrying about things, or we start losing all of our motivation, we start procrastinating. All these sorts of things happen because there's something that we feel like we need right now that we just don't have. So grab a piece of paper and a pen, and at the top I want you to just write down what it is. And I want you to write I want, and then just name it, get it out there. Recognize that this is what's causing all of these kind of thoughts and feelings to escalate. And now I want you to do 5 bullet points. So sit back, spend a couple of minutes just thinking about, if I could wave a magic wand and I had this now, what would I do? What could I do? You know, would I say, for example, if you needed money because you needed a new car, so now that you've got a new car, what would you do with it? Would you go to the beach? Would you go out shopping and be able to get all your bags in the boot? Say, for example, you wanted a holiday because you need a break. Where would you go? Who would you go with? What would you be doing right now if you were actually on the holiday? Now, this really simple trick enables you to just switch from thinking and being trapped in all the negativity and all the worrying thoughts into some kind of positive and possible, solutions. If we need a new car, usually we can get it at some point, or we want to go on holiday, we can usually end up going on holiday at some point. So these are real life possibilities that could happen. Just be very careful when you're writing things down. Don't get overboard. Don't be automatically like, oh, everything's amazing, because your brain won't be very happy with that. So just literally, I want, and then 5 things that you would do right now if you had it, and kind of spend just a couple of minutes getting into that feeling space. It is going to help you feel amazing. It is one of my favourite tricks, and I do it every single morning. Hey, Sam! So let me know how you get on. Obviously, you don't have to share your wants because they are quite personal, but just let me know whether it has enabled you to just feel better by a little bit, because it's all the little bits that build up, and that takes us from mental illness to recovery and then to mental health. So thanks, guys. Sorry, super quick. So I'm off unless you've got any questions. Have a wonderful rest of your Monday, and I'm going to be coming in every Monday with a little Mental Health Monday tip for you all. See you all soon.